So this is an update video of Centenary City Enugu. This is an update video showing you the updates from Enugu-Portharcourt Expressway to the new roads right inside Centenary and everything between. Please hit the like button, subscribe so that you can see more of these type of update videos when we bring them from time to time. So now that expressway there is the Enugu-Portharcourt Expressway. To the right is about 8 minutes drive to Independence Layout, the heart of Enugu, and to the left is the road towards UNTH, Isut-Abani, and Four Corners, Itukwazala. Now off this road, this leads you straight into Centenary City. Centenary City is just opposite Hillview Estate. You can see a filling station and gas plant right there to the right that has just come up. The first estate to the left there is Doctor's Quarters. Doctor's Quarters is one of the first estates in Centenary. Centenary houses close to 20 different estates between the phase 1 and then the phase 2. This is one of the most collection of estates within Enugu. That right there is Spotter Life Style Estate, and straight down leads you into the gate of Enugu Lifestyle and Golf City. Now inside there are a lot of other estates there. Estates around here go from between 25 million to around 35 million actually. So from between 35 and 25 million to around 35 million, you get plots of land in Centenary. You can see the gate, that's the gate leading into Enugu Lifestyle and Golf. We have lands in there if you want that, or we'll have the ones out here. Now to the left, where there's a lot of greenery, is the commercial area. There is a hotel there of whose minimum room costs about 10,000 and above. And there's also a school, a boys and all boys boarding school right there, and of course more commercial buildings are coming up there. There's also a plaza. Like you can see, this plaza is almost completed, and just beside it is the new road. This road was just newly constructed, leading into a number of other estates like Jedediah Estate, El Shama Estate. For those that have always asked, yes, this is the road leading to Jedediah El Shama Estate. So we have Jedediah Estate to the left with red roofs. We have a plaza directly opposite Jedediah, and then El Shama immediately after the plaza. Now behind El Shama we have Cityville Estate. All along this road, Cityville Estate, we have Diaspora Estate, and the estates here sell from between, plots in this estate sell from between 25 million naira to 35 million for 500 square meters, and we have a number of them here available. I mean, once you book an inspection, we'll bring you and show you this environment. But by and large, I wanted to show you the beautiful third road that has just been done here and the update within this environment. I know you do like it, as this is a fast developing place. Centenary City is one of the fastest developing estate communities within Enugu, and it is secure. It has a lot of security. Like you can see, number of gates before you enter any of the estates, and of course if you're not invited in, no one will let you in. Inside the main Enugu Lifestyle and Golf City, we also have a number of estate lands right there selling from between 25 million naira to 35 million naira. So give me a call today on 0809673768 so we can bring you for inspection and help you secure your plots right here, as well as show you around Centenary City. Of course, there may be other places you might be interested in, and like you can see, the road construction and every other infrastructure facility is fast on go. I hope you like the video. I hope you do like this video. We'll bring you updates as we go along. I'll bring you updates on specific estates on this channel, so do well to subscribe, like this video, share it with other people that have not seen the new road construction or don't know where Jedediah Estate is, or where El Shama Estate is, or where Cityville Estate is. This video shows them the exact location in Centenary. If you have any questions around Centenary City or around where each estate is, or around pricing, or you want us to generally help you secure a plot or two within Centenary, then you can give us a call. Till I come your way again, I'm Jeff Anozie. Enjoy a great day and bye for now.